Hi everybody, we're going to show you what we do at night to prevent leaks. So for a while there we were getting, every morning when mom would wake up, her bed would be wet, even though we were putting in the soak undergarments at night. And so over time we figured out a way and finally arrived at a process that is giving us beds, dry beds, every day. Now it's become a rarity when the bed is wet. So I want to show you how to accomplish that because a viewer contacted me to say that it was driving her crazy, the leaks and the laundry that it was creating. And so I told her that we would upload a video explaining exactly how we pad Betty for sleeping. So I want you to take a look at these products over here. So the first thing is a pair of underwear, a thong, 2 soak pads, and 2, for the lack of a better word, 2 diapers. Okay, one has a plastic backing, the other one has more of a fabric backing, and it's larger than this one. So this one sits into that one. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to open up the larger. We pull the tabs off of both sides. We take this pad that has the plastic backing. It also happens to have the blue spot that lets us know where to put the soap pads. Take the ticket off, put the 2 together, and lay them in on the blue spot. Then pull the tabs away from this unit. The tabs just can cause irritation because of the texture, so we just get rid of them. Put the 2 together and then rubber band the front. We've got a couple of thick rubber bands, and we rubber band the front like so. Okay, once that is done, then, Betty, I'm going to straddle you. Okay, face the mirror and pretend we're doing this over her pants, of course. We slide the liner in as a package. The rubber banded end goes in first. That's to hold it together. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Making certain that the double pad is right underneath. Then you take the stretchy underwear, the brief, take it up first. Then you're going to adjust. So you're going to wiggle, making certain that this is right up close to her body. And then the second layer, you're going to pull that up. Betty?
Alright.
Here, let me have that, please. Don't touch that. Thank you.
I mean, why is everybody...
Hold on. We're going to show the people how this is done. So we're going to pull this up. Right up close to her body. Then the brief goes up. And then the thong goes up. slightly. Not completely right there, but slightly. So now we're going to go to the front. And we're going to remove the rubber band. And then you're going to take the first layer. You're going to make certain that the 2 soap pads are laying flat, and you're going to move this whole unit side to side to make certain that it gets up close to the pubic area, because that's the issue, is the tightness, the closeness to the body, so that there's not the opportunity for leakage to occur. So now the second one is up close. Then we're coming up again with that brief. And we're coming up all the way this time with the thong. And this thong is a nice, tight fitting. It's not a flimsy thong. And it's not flimsy. It's firm. So you're looking for a thong that will firmly hold. And as you can see, hold on, Betty. As you can see, it's right up close. This clip that I have right here is to represent her nightgown. So we would have her nightgown clipped up in the front and the back. And then that way, that keeps everything clear for viewing and for accuracy, because we want Betty to sleep well during the night. And if her bed is wet, she's not going to sleep well. So we want her bed to stay dry so that she can sleep well. And that's how we accomplish it. So again, the underwear, the brief, is a wide band, stretchy. I think I bought these at a Hanes outlet, but it's been a long time ago now, so I don't really remember. But it's a very stretchy, spandexy fabric, and it has the wide band at the top.
Can I
very important.
leave in my loaf and give you the lamp?
And then the
Hold on
thong.
a second, Betty. We'll do that in just a second.
And then the 2 different types of pads plus the soap pads. 2 of those. And then, wait a minute, Betty, stand up. And then the 2 rubber bands to hold it all together. Okay? That's the answer to dry nights. Good luck, everybody. Our mothers matter. Take good care of them. And our dads, too, if you happen to be taking care of a father who has dementia or whomever your loved one is. They matter. They're here, they're living, and they're human beings, and they deserve to be taken care of until the end. So, good luck.